Respected panel members, I am Lakshmi Sundaram Subbiah, the founder of Doidone Researcher and the lead product architect and solo owner of Indian patent number 530493. Welcome to the future of helmet safety, the Arohara Helmet. According to 2023 ministry data, 45% of Indian road fatality involves two-wheelers. The harsh reality is that 1 in 3 riders actively skip wearing helmets. Why? Not just negligence, but severe physical pain. Specifically, ear and chin scraping during entry and exhausting oral fatigue from traffic noise. Comfort is the biggest barrier to safety. Our solution is a smart mechanical innovation. The Arohara Helmet features a widening system at the ear portion for a completely frictionless entry and then retracts for a custom secure fit. We have also integrated an automatic neck straps and built-in acoustic dampening to suppress traffic noise. This widening mechanism is fully protected by our granted Indian patent. We make safety comfortable, riders get zero pain, and the helmet brands get a patented technology that easily fits into their current factory lines. This is a game changer for high-frequency riders. Think of gig workers who remove helmets 20 times a shift, daily commuters facing a job pain, touring riders dealing with highway wind fatigue, and eyeglass wearers who can now put on a helmet without taking off their spectacles. Our ultimate mission is simple: to save lives by achieving 100% helmet adoptions on Indian roads through smart mechanical safety. The current market is saturated with static rigid design. Arohara introduced the first dynamic solution. Our greatest strength and competitive edge is our structural mechanical advantage, backed by our granted patent. Competitors simply cannot legally copy our core widening mechanism. The total addressable market is massive, roughly 250 million Indian two-wheeler riders. Our initial goal is to capture 2 to 5% of premium comfort conscious segments that translates to up to 2 million riders within our first 3 years via OEM licensing. Our plan is simple. First, pilot testing with real riders. Second, we take that data to major brands like Stud or Vega or Steelbird, etc. licensing deals. Third, we use their distribution networks to scale across India. We will not build expensive factories. We use a B2B licensing model. We earn fixed royalty for every helmet sold. Our mechanism adds just 150 to 250 rupees to manufacturing cost, meaning high profit margin for our partners. Here is where we are today. The patent is officially granted, Doidone Researcher is established, and 3D CAD modeling is actively underway using 360. My ask today goes beyond just the 5 lakhs in funding for MVP printing and mechanical testing. My real ask is for IIML strategic ecosystem. I am seeking your mentorship to connect with automobile 3D modeling professionals, gain access to manufacturing testing labs, and facilitates visit to actual helmet plants so we can begin early OEM integration discussion. With IIML EIC's backings, we can turn this patent into a physical product that saves thousands of lives. Let's make Indian roads safer together. Thank you for your time. Jai Hind.